Hi, welcome to another video in our YouTube channel. Today we'll be unboxing our PS5 Pro along with an accessory necessary for this. So this PS5 Pro, I bought it from Al Hamid Center, which is in Abu Dhabi near the Gold Souk. You can search for that in Google Maps. I'll also leave a link in the description. So it has the Hamid Center has a lot of gaming shops. Why I'm specifically telling is that it has all kinds of accessories for your gaming consoles, from Nintendo to PlayStations to Xbox. So this is the PS5 Pro. As you can see, there's no disc version, and previously we had 8K written over here, but it's 4K 120 FPS maximum resolution. And this is the digital version. Why they are not giving is because they are already giving 2 TB of internal storage in the PS5 Pro. So let's go and unbox it, guys. As you can see, when you are buying the PS5 Pro, please make sure you have this jumbo seal, because this is the official solely electronic distributor in the UAE. There are 2 versions in the UAE. One is the international version, one is the UAE version. I would recommend to buy the UAE version because you have this jumbo distributor who will cover your warranty, but international version you will have to find a Sony center and it's really hard to do. So it's better to buy the UAE version. Yeah, so this is the seal, and I have already broken the seal now. Let me turn this. Alright, this is the white box inside our official PS5 box. Let's turn this side. So as you can see here, we have the stand. I would be expecting, for this price point for a PS5 Pro, I was expecting at least a vertical stand, but they have given this horizontal support. It's not really great, but it's okay. Yeah, let's keep this aside. Now on the right side we have all the cables. This is the HDMI cable. So this type C to type C connector is for connecting your controller, and we have the power cord. Now on the left side we have the gaming controller itself, the PS5 controller. It's not an edge, it's not the latest kind of edge controller, but yeah, you have the DualSense controller here. Let's remove this. As you can see here, this is the controller. Okay. Next comes up is the console itself. So let's get that out. The manuals for the PS5 Pro. These are some quick manuals. We also have the warranty card here. Alright, this is the PS5 console itself. Here we go, the official one. We have one of the seal here, and yes, yeah. So if you get a vertical stand, we will be connecting it over here, but unfortunately we don't have a vertical stand. That's okay. So let's go and unbox the disc accessory for this. I need to open this up. Okay, as you can see, this is the opening. Okay, the first thing that we see here is another stand. This is also a basic one, but I see that there is a little bit of height difference. Let me show you the difference. So this is from the PS5 controller. This is a smaller version. I'm sure that once we attach it, there will be a bump, so that's why they gave a different version. Yeah, this is okay, but I would be expecting a vertical stand, but that's fine. Let's keep this aside. Open this up, and we can see here that there is the accessory itself, and we have the outer cover. there is the warranty card and some manual for it, so this is fine. Let's put that in. Let's keep these aside. Let's remove the cover. So this is the cover. Okay, so while removing it, be very careful. We just have to try this out. Don't use too much of pressure, but yeah, uh, from the from my right side or your left side, just spray it out, so that this side is going to be like a turn version. So make sure you just get it out. And this is the connector itself, so make sure this connector goes in here, and there is a there is a placeholder here. So first is these two arrows are there, so we just have to make sure it is placed properly. Okay, so as you can see, I placed this here and it's going to be sitting there. Okay, you heard that, so it just sat in. Now we need to use this cover. It also has the eject button here, which will be connected over here, so that's fine. As you can see, the same thing should be going over here. Okay, so this has sat this side. Just need to push it in. So that's it. Yes, this is fixed. As you can see here, it's done. All right, so we need to attach these. Let's take both of these out, and as you can see, there are these holes here and there is a width difference. Okay, so if you see here, this is on the larger side, this is the shorter one. So attach it on here, and this one is this side, so this is here. That's it. So this is how we need to attach it. This is done. Now let's go back to the wires. Let's unwrap this. So as you can see, there's only one HDMI port, and this should be the official one, should be supporting the 4K and 8K, I suppose, but I need to check the specifications. But yeah, this is where it goes. Let's remove the power cord. And this is the wireless controller, but for the first time you need to connect using this wire on the front side, which will be on this one. So this is where we connect the type C. This is the power button here, and this is where we put in the disc. This is the eject button itself.
Thanks for watching. Please encourage us by subscribing for more interesting videos like this. Also do like, share and comment your thoughts. Thank you.